Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Perplexity Pro for research to notes automation, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Perplexity AI and hit enter. Look for the official website in the search results and click on it. Once on the Perplexity AI homepage, locate the menu bar at the top. Find and click on the plans or pricing option. Review the different subscription tiers available. Choose the Perplexity Pro plan that best suits your research needs. You will be directed to the sign-up page. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you're new to Perplexity, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information such as your name, email address, and password. Ensure that your password meets the security requirements outlined. After filling in the details, click the Sign Up or Create Account button. Once your account is created, check your email for a verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Perplexity Pro subscription page. Log into your account using your new credentials. Select your preferred payment method for the subscription. Enter your payment details securely in the provided fields. Double-check all information for accuracy before proceeding. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation message. Access your new Perplexity Pro features directly from your account dashboard. Explore the tools designed for research to notes automation. Start integrating your research processes into your note-taking workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.